Today we're making a delightful fries trio that no one can resist. Let's move towards the recipe. A pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter in it. Melt butter and add all-purpose flour in it. Mix it well with the help of a whisk, then add milk and mix it. Now add cheddar cheese, burger cheese, salt, chicken powder, paprika powder. Mix all the ingredients well with the help of a whisk until it becomes smooth. Chicken stuffing preparation. Take a large bowl and add shredded boiled chicken in it. Add mayonnaise, tomato ketchup, red chili powder, onion powder, salt, garlic powder and dried oregano. Mix all the ingredients that we add in a bowl with the help of a spoon. Now the chicken stuffing is ready. Dry ingredients. Take another large bowl. Add all-purpose flour, paprika powder, salt, chaat masala, garlic powder. Mix all the dry ingredients well and set aside. Coating. Coat the potato slices in dry ingredient bowl that we prepared. Fry the potato on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Take out the potato fries. Again fry these potato slices. Serving. Place an inverted glass on a dish. Add prepared chicken filling and set around the glass. Now add the potato fries and remove the glass. Add prepared cheese sauce, tomatoes, green onion leaves and onion. Add mayo mustard sauce, tomato ketchup, chaat masala. Delicious lava fries are ready to eat. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!